bên bờ tạc má phấn môi son ngôi sao đẹp.
How do I pull up the hell? Okay. You know what? Fine. There we go. Alright, I'll be back. Or now I'll just stay here. Or I'll just put this here. Okay. Well, yeah, let's keep the lights on for today. Although, I don't think anyone's gonna miss. Well, I don't think anyone's gonna watch it. I don't think there's gonna be anyone who watches this stream right now, so. Oh well. I don't really care. Right Wait, so, can I just do, like, for example, right? See how. Using space. Okay, see out. Just enter your OTP. And then I can have like a string input line. Oh, because it needs like what? Oh. If equals to TOTP code, cout input valid, else cout input invalid line, like so, and then I compile. Okay, and then sandbox main, I guess. Oh. Opera GX. C-hole. Typing sound. Settings, browser. Wait. Oh, play sound. Okay, this should not. Yep. Okay. Why do I want to integrate this thing though? Like, well, yeah, but like, what if the OTP is like, or I guess you already saved it into the string, right? So. Okay, I guess, so then I can just make this otp.hpp, I guess. Well, gen hpp, and then I can just do this. Namespace and then class OTP. Wait, no, class gen OTP, there we go. Private string OTP. And it's just that, right? Yeah, I don't think there's anything else with it. That's integrated. Oh. God damn it. Okay, fine. Well, later on it's gonna be in INC gen OTP.hpp. Just starting here. There you go. And then well, first didn't know this already. So this, and then And then I guess I can do C out, or yeah, I can C out. And then sleep. Well, okay, what library do I need for sleep? Uni standard, okay. And then you sleep for how long, right? I guess I can do like 5 seconds. Or I guess 10 seconds. And then I can sleep for 5 seconds. I guess not 5. Let's do like, yeah, let's just do 10. Right? And then I do was I trying to do? I guess I have. Let's try to register one, right? Like after all of this one, right? Then I'll have like register. I need to hire files. So include GenOTP HPP. Oh. Wait, what? Great. Yeah, they use GenOTP of GenOTP. All that shit. So string, well, bool validate, right? Let's do that. Wait. Oh. Well then, I can just. And this one would also need type password. What would the register be doing if I were to do that? It's setting the wall that it's asking for the address. Okay. I guess I'll just see an input, user input. And then clear. Right. Do I need terminals for this? Oh, system clear. Oh hey, David. I think you're like the only person who like ever came over for a stream without any of my bugging. So, what's up? I'm trying to do OTP. I've been asking. Well, today I literally came into Geyer's office hours, and there was no one who was asking him about the the Wumpus. So I came in and asked him about why the stupid freaking library did not work, and then I have to do so many things that like it's just killing me, man. Like setting up libraries to link the program on. Oh. Like I wanted to kill myself a lot. Well, I shouldn't say that, but yeah. Okay, if and then I guess if this OTP is equal to user input, Geyer is correct. Well, the thing is that Geyer understands everything. Also, I kind of low-key get him to register, right? Like, look at this. I think we know about his date of birth. I think I can do the same thing to Roger, so that like we can know his info. And also, since this password is being hashed already, I have absolutely no clue on like what his password is right now. Like, and then just see out OTP passed. And then inline return true, else see out OTP in mismatched, please. Inline return false. Okay. And then for the register here, I would go if gen OTP dot validate. Right. Oh wait, there we go. If not gen OTP validate, then I will return just that, I guess. Okay, let's try it. Let's try... Well, first let's try make, right? Okay, please work. And what is happening? Let's go. multiple. Okay, I see. Well, txt. There we go. All right. Clear. Make. What? What? Undefined reference to see. What do you mean? Alright, Copilot, what the hell's happening? Didn't I like put the make files with the flags and everything? Well, yeah, it's including it. Source directory is this one. GenOTP is that one. Oh boy. Alright. Yeah, let's just copy this shit and see what's the one that changed. Is my makefile currently grabbing my objects in light directory? There we go. I'm so pissed. Oh, there we go. That makes sense. And then src. guess I don't need this. I know that I'll need -o, something like that, and then wipe slash cotp slash. Like so. I believe that's what I need. Ah, I'm so good at makefiles. I'm joking though, I am not good at makefiles. I suck at makefiles. Okay. Make clean, make. See how it's like a pain in the ass to just compile this if I include the COTP library? It's like, oh god. I hate it so much. So much. Okay, clear ./run. Now I can run. Okay. Let's try create a user. I want to test the OTP. So heater. Okay. Someone. Fish. What does make clean do? You never use it? You should always use make clean whenever you're like finishing. So basically the make files here, what it does is that for example, like several files like this, right? Then it will create a deps file, or like there will be a deps directory right here and an object directory right here. This contains all the objects. So the object is basically what the code and when you compile, an object is created. So if you're doing g++ -g something something, or if you g++ something file, it created the object and then it ran it. If you have a -g, for example, like here, then the object will be created and be stored. It's not being run. So if you're doing -g, you're explicitly telling the code to just make the .o file, or like the object files, right? So if I do make clean, all of these will be completely deleted. All of it. Like, and so, and yeah, and if you want to make, so that's why you want to make clean and make, so that you can have like what should I call it? A fresh new compiler from start to finish. Okay. Alright, 644941. Okay. 644941, okay. Not clear the screen. Oh. Woo! Let's go! Alright, cool. Okay. Although let's do like 7. And here it needs a string user input, and does it? It does have the high pass, okay. Wait, so then I can just equals to get password of, please enter your OTP. Okay. Alright, let's try it again. So I'll just make clean. See how, if I make clean, everything here is gone. Make. But yeah, also make clean whenever you want to like push something to GitHub and then git add dot. You kind of don't want to like push these objects here as well. nor do you want to like keep the executable being here, right? So that's why make clean helps you. If you just add like git add dot after you make clean, then none of these things are going to be included, and then you would look more professional in terms of like coding. So all right, that's /run register desired username. Okay. Oh yeah, I should do the email as well. I forgot. But, oh well, that's okay. Somewhat Street. Okay, 85924. Hey, let's go. Okay, one more. Although this time I'll just try to massacre. Like try to like type something that is mismatching so that let's see if it actually is returning like how I want it to be. So okay, I'm not going to do anything with it. Okay. Oh, hey, actually, wait, nothing is happening. Let's go. This is so pog. Okay, cool. And then the register just disappeared, so... Or you're just yeah, all the information is just being destructed. Okay, cool. Alright, well, at least I know what to do. Right? Right? Okay. OTP mismatched. Please try again from the beginning. Alright, so now what else do I need to use OTP for? I also need it for changing passwords, right? So let's do login user. Yeah, let's. Okay, there we go, and then. Yep, that's like. And then so login user. I'll include. Wait. Gen OTP, right? HTTP. And then since it is a hide pass, I just need to do this. Right? And then I would do gen OTP. If not gen OTP dot validate, then I will pass, not just return basically. Is that what I did? Register, register, register. Yeah, okay. Basically, I'll just do like this line for every single time I wanted to do something. Do I? Okay. Password changed successfully. Return. Okay. Yeah, I'll just do this. And then update whatever, send money, view balance, view log. Okay, I want the gen OTP to be here. So then, yeah, and then they will update the amount with all the transactions and everything. Although, okay, I kind of want this transaction written. Like, around here before. There we go, and then I'll take this off. Okay, and then for login admins, I'll have to basically do the same thing, except that... Oh damn, oh okay, I still have to do this shit. God damn it. No, not that. That's not the snippet I wanted to copy. There we go. Okay, and then you update accounts. Updating the account is going to accounts. Do choice. Where is, there we go, change the name user. And here, you want to go to keys here. Hold before. Right, and then making transactions. Is that what I did for login user? No, I did. This should be better. Okay. Let's test run one last time. Make clean, and then I make. Okay, and then I can run. Wait, hold up. Wait a minute. For the let's do 3 seconds because I don't want to wait. I want to actually test everything. So. Okay, let's try. Okay, please type username. I'll do this one. Okay, change name. I'll do. Okay, I really like it. Where else is being changed? Is there anything else I need? Oh, right, transactions. Let's look at that. See, David, the thing is that I think you're like the only one who's either you are the one who watches YouTube every single day at this time at night for absolutely no reason, or you have notification bell, although I kind of don't believe that you have a notification bell opening up, or somehow by within or by any force, by some kind of force, my stream is popping up on your recommendations, in which I actually should do something with it, or like with the recommendation AI. But all right, /run. Okay, forgot password. Well, let's log in first, right? Transfer money, view wallet balance. Well, you still have 450k, but view transactions. Okay, transfer money. Let's do user. Well, admin 01 again, and then I wanted to send 20k this time. It should not work like that. Fuck. It should be invalid message. Okay, what happens if I do this? Okay. Accidentally wrote 20k. Oops, my bad, I guess. Wait, the 20k? Okay. Alright, this is actually... Oh. Wait, how did it do that? Okay. Well, I guess it truncated the K. And then gave like the 20, but okay. Sure. That works. Admin 01, enter the amount I want to send over. Let's do 20k. Actually, this time. Alright. OTP code. I will not print that. OTP mismatch. Nice. Okay, everything is actually running perfectly. I'll just take this off. I'll say this one, I'll put this one and say let it stay here. My bro has notifications on, but you you subscribe. The live shows up. Yeah, I don't know. There are some people that I know that the live does not show up. Okay, users JSON, validity, all that stuff. Alright. OTP. Okay, just make clean first. Is there anything that I need to do left? I guess I write the readme again, right? Functionality, create new account. Via request dot. See example in. Man, what is the syntax again? Username, name, so John Doe, and then so email would be someone at cheese.com, and then phone number, so and then address, so address can be potato, so why not? Okay, that, and then okay, store all user data in a single JSON file, users.json. Store user passwords in a database using the hash function. Okay, yeah, I did that. Okay, using a hash function, or implemented simple hashing using C++ standard hash. Ensure all data storage has a backup. Propose a backup and recovery solution for user data. Yep, so then every time the program ends, 3 backups of the JSON file, well, the JSON file will copy into into a backup directory with the latest update of the 3 JSON files. Okay, login management automatically generated. Okay. Generate a password and when a user does not provide one. This is when the user doesn't provide one, or when an admin is creating an account on behalf of the user via request.txt information allows enabled for verifying transactions, okay, and changing information. Allow users to reset their password if their other credentials are being inputted correctly. When a user logs in, the programs to search the stored data to verify if the login information exists and is valid. If invalid, then allow the user to access the system and use the corresponding function. Password hiding. Whenever the password is being prompted, the interface of the terminal will hide what is input and replace it back with an asterisk for each character. Okay, cool. Regular users can only access their personal information, can't change their name and password. Implements functions to update. Has the ability to send OTP to confirm and verify via OTP. The administrator can also monitor group lists. It accounts for the users. Verification. Wallet. Yes. You can identifier in the transaction data. The main wallet is the source of all points in the system. And then, yep, proceed to the transaction, imitating the atomic step. Record those transactions in the transaction log. Propose verifying the transaction before the program proceeds to transfer the money over. Transaction log, record all transactions, allow users to view their balance, their transaction history, and status. Hey, cool. I think that's everything. Wait, no, I did not mean to do that. Make clean. Okay. Alright. Then I just finished the project, no? Git commit -m project finished. Okay. dots and then git push. Okay. Well, I finished it. I guess what I can. Oh wait. There we go. Git add doc. Git commit -m removed sandbox. .txt. I don't need this as well. Here, git add dot. Is there anything else I need to? I guess I don't need this, but then at the same time, ooh, look at all of this. The hell? Oh damn. I did not mean to. What? Uh-oh. Where's the INC? Yeah. Where's the INC? Okay, this is not good. I guess I can get pull, but already up to date. What the hell? Okay, it's okay. I pushed everything. I pushed everything. I pushed everything. All right. Let's open a new folder, and then I can just migrate this somewhere else. There we go. Okay, I can safely just delete this, right? Git clone. Oh, Oracle. Git clone. This repo. Oh, that takes a little bit long, but that's okay. And then where is login reports program? Login. Hey. Ls. I should take out all of these Java stuff. Okay. Login reports program. Okay, there we go. And then, yep, all the ink is here. Okay, just to make sure I'm not being dumb. Okay, cool, nice. Alright, make clean. Make sure everything compiled. Sandbox main. And then I can now replace .txt. Yep. Okay, good. We don't need this one as well. Add dot. Get commit -m deleting various non-needed files. Okay, and then get push. Let's go. Alright, enumerating. Let's Alright, let's check. Alright, I guess my project is finished. I'll give like a 10-minute break. You kinda deserve it. There we go. Alright, I'll be back. When is the thank you for 100 subscriber video dropping? What do you want me to do though? Like, I have absolutely no frickin' idea, but I won't. Mostly, yeah, mostly I won't. Okay. Let's continue. What should I do? Should I... Oh, Pokemon Battle. I should came back with it. Wait, what is this? Okay, what project do I want to do? I guess I can find like a sequel project. Here I can. Let's pull this over. Alright, where and then projects. Well, sequel projects. Real world practice. Wait, Codecademy has sequel? Honestly, let's do it. I'll do sequel right now. Like, right the hell now. Alright, take this course for free. I'll sign up with GitHub. You're excited to learn sequel next? Wait, what? Isn't sequel like 340? Like CS 340? Yeah. Yeah, sequel is next term and they're all... Huh. Well, I guess you're gonna figure something else. Something out, I guess. Then what is 271? No, 271 is assembly. Assembly language. It's like a worse version of... Yeah, this is assembly right here. This is like very difficult language. Here, yeah, like all of those push, move, call, all that stuff, multiplying. You're gonna work a lot in terms of memory. SQL here is, for example, like databases related. But yeah, I'm just relearning the SQL right now. How to make a SQL project? SQL projects. Analyzing, what the hell? Analyzing industry carbon emissions? That sounds okay, I guess? This project is for premium users only, as if I'm gonna subscribe. Haha, good one. Wait, how about Coursera? Does it have anything? In terms of like SQL? Wait, unwrap new career skills with $100 or $162 off Coursera Plus. That looks very tempting, but I think as soon as I spend 160, I'm not gonna learn it. So, sequel. Enroll for free. Wait, is it a free course? Or no, it's not a free course. This one is also not a free course. Oh well. Honestly, Codecademy is not really helping. Like, I kind of learned all of this already, but I need to like pay for all of this stuff. Wait, then can I have this thing then. I have I subscribed on this one. Well, I subscribed to this one. What is... Man, imagine going back to Python with all those C++ stuff. Sheesh, it's gonna take a while to like learn it. Oh. C basics! Yay! Structs and pointers! And then, yeah, Docker, Capstan project. How to find a programming job, deeper learning. Web crawler. Learn JavaScript. You know what? Let's learn it. Have I had classes taught by Kaufman? I never take classes taught by Kaufman. I do not. I refuse to do it. Whenever I see Kaufman, I just automatically switch to online. So within my life of learning in OSU, I have never once had a what? Yeah, I don't know. I just took online. yours. No. Well, okay. If you wanna, if you really want to look at it, rate my professor. Right? Okay. Julian Hoffman. I have to mute this channel though. See? Look at this. Like, ooh. Like, look at the amount of, like, ratings. One is, like, yeah, 21st at April 14th. I don't know, man. But since Roger is leaving, you have to choose between Kaufman or Todorovic. Yeah, well, I guess you can do like Todorovic. I don't know. I don't know who that guy is. I've never taken any classes with him, so in itself named health. Well, I know that I wanted to super got in name health and then. But yeah, good luck on 261 though. Arrows, and then set a private mana variable. Maybe a third parameter to the constructor. Okay. And then create a cast method that takes a target hero as an input. But there's not. Okay. So if self dot mana is less than 20 equal to. Wait, less than 25. Then raise exception of not enough mana, and then self mana minus equal to 25, and then target take damage of 25. There we go. And then ice run. Yep. That's easy. It makes the class harder than it used to be. I mean, the thing is that like, so I don't know what language he's going to teach at, but the concepts you need to know it. Basically, you need to know it, right? And you need to like invest time for yourself to, well, yeah, you need to invest time into the code or like to coding to understand the fundamentals of it. For example, I know for a fact that you're going to learn about stack and queues and linked lists and dynamic arrays. Not that type of dynamic array that we learned in C++ though. You're gonna learn about trees, binary trees, and everything like that. And that's a lot. Well, that's just like basic data structures. And then later on, you're gonna learn about like hash maps and then hash set and everything like that. But that was for that is for like 300 level classes. But you need to be like knowing or understanding all of those stuff in order to be good at computer science. To be honest, like yeah, like every single coding interview, no coding interview will no coding interview will not ask you about it. And then, but depending on like the project or like no the depending on the software engineering or where like role that you're at, they're going to ask all those stuff inside that single and inside a specific language. So that's why a lot of people in OSU tends to do Python because in larger level courses they are using Python a lot. However, I feel like C++ is more interesting, to be honest. Although it's a lot of annoyance. Python is just doing a lot better work, but C++ is just way faster. They said it's taught in C. Well, yeah, I took it in C. It was fine. I learned about struct and everything in C. Often wide instead of deep. There we go. Locking in for winter term, doing 261, 271, and 2 backboards. Yeah. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Although I feel like you need to look into 261 more than 271. That is my suggestion. Oh. Wait, this bear uses GPT-4o? Oh, cool. Dragons. An age of dragons, there are orcs, humans, goblins. Wait, there's actually a voice?
Dragons. In Age of Dragon.
Oh my god, okay, this thing has been evolved a lot. That's nice. I love it. There are orcs, human, goblins, and dragons. All of those different creatures are called units. At the moment, the only thing specific to a unit is that it has a position on the game map and a name. Dragons, as a specific type of unit, can breathe fire in a large area, dealing damage to any units touch. Let's fiery blaze. Okay. Game map is just a Cartesian plane, is it? Yeah, okay, cool. Complete the units in area method and the dragons breathe fire method. In area. Okay. To determine if a unit is within or on the boundary of this rectangle. Use Oh, okay, cool. So, wait. Huh? So you're saying that I guess I can just do if self.posX is larger than equals to x1, right? And self.posX is less than or equals to, I think I don't need this if statement to be inside that. X2. So there's that. Wait, I can just do and. This is Python. Or I can just do this, right? The fuck do you mean? What kind of web is this? This is fucking boot.dev. Oh yeah, check this out. But it has to be true like this and then false like this. Oh my god, Python. Languages are killing me. This method causes the dragon to breathe a swath of fire in the target area. The target area is centered as X and Y. The area stretches for far range. For each unit in the unit list, so for units in units, right? Oh, wait. If unit dot, how do I call it? Like in area? Is this the right syntax? But what is a list in Python again? I kind of forgot. Well, this is like, well, this would be like if it's the unit is in the area of, well, first you need to like spread the unit out, right? So x1 equals to x minus 1. x2 is x plus 1. Python list of syntax for list. These items are ordered. Create a list. How do I make a empty list? Okay, within the square brackets, I kind of know that though, but empty. Okay, so list, well, members scorched is equal to this, right? And then append, okay. For units and units, and then if unit is in area, then members scorched dot append unit dot name, right? What is invalid? Wait, what? I'm so rusty. Okay, I need C++ like right now. Ah. Okay, I see. Well, for loops in Python, I guess. Yeah, hello? Wait, I don't need it? I don't, oh god. There we go. And then... Non-type, wait, what? I'm so confused. I know how to do it, but this is Python. I kind of, oh gosh. I've been coding in C++ for so long. Man. You know what? I'll take the L on this. What is wrong with this Python code? Question mark. Okay. What type of syntax errors is this? Oh, right. Totally forgot about it. Return! Okay. Actual units hits. Yep, definitely did not forget to return. Wait. Fire range of, oh. There we go, happy. I get it, but like, what is it? Why is it not Why is it not running? Uh-huh. X1, Y1, XO. I was right there, man. I was right there. Yeah, it's like none of them is wrong. X1, Y1, X2, Y2, and, okay. True, false. Yep. And then X minus, okay. For unit in units. If not in the area, yeah. This is not even like leak code. The hell do you mean the string object has no Oh. Right. My bad. Alright, that's it. I'm not streaming. I'm actually an idiot. I'll stop. Good night.